Emma, we have a huge problem. I bought a map, a flag, 10 bags of candy, and a new video game console because I decided to start my own country in my living room.
Alex, please tell me you did not spend your rent money on video games and candy.
I had to. They are essential supplies for the Republic of Alex, but now I cannot pay my electricity bill.
That is exactly why we need to talk today. We are discussing social studies, specifically the difference between needs and wants.
But candy is a need. Emma, my stomach needs it.
No, Alex, that is a want. Today we will cover needs versus wants, good citizenship, and even how to read that map you're holding upside down. Let's start with the basics. A need is something you must have to survive.
Like oxygen or coffee?
Oxygen is a need. Coffee is a want. Needs are things like food, water, shelter, and clothing. If you do not have them, you cannot live safely.
Okay, I get it. So, my green t-shirt is a need because I cannot walk around without clothes.
Exactly. But a want is something you would like to have, but you can live without.
Like my new video game console?
Yes, it makes you happy, but it is not necessary for survival.
This is tragic news. So, paying my electricity bill is a need.
Yes, because it powers your shelter and keeps you warm.
Okay, I will return the video game. Now, what about my new country? The Republic of Alex needs good people.
That brings us to citizenship. Being a good citizen means you are a responsible member of a community.
I am responsible. I take out the trash sometimes.
That is a good start. Good citizens follow rules and laws to keep everyone safe. They also help others.
Oh, like when I helped my neighbor carry her groceries yesterday?
Yes, that is excellent citizenship. It also involves voting, respecting others' property, and telling the truth.
Wait, so if I break the rules in my own country, am I a bad citizen?
Well, if you are the only citizen, you are just hurting yourself. But in the real world, breaking laws has consequences.
Speaking of the real world, I bought this map to find my way around, but it is just a bunch of lines.
Let me help. A map is a flat drawing of a place. A globe is a round model of the Earth.
Okay, so why are there blue parts and green parts?
Blue usually represents water, like oceans and lakes. Green or brown represents land.
And what is this line cutting the Earth in half? Did someone slice the planet?
That is the equator. It is an imaginary line that divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres.
I see, and I assume the top is north and the bottom is south.
Usually, yes, we use a compass rose to show directions: north, south, east, and west.
Okay, I think I am located in the north. Now, look at this beautiful flag I bought.
That is the American flag. It is a national symbol. Symbols are pictures or objects that represent a country.
Like the bald eagle?
Correct. The bald eagle represents freedom and strength in the United States.
And what about holidays? Are those symbols too?
Holidays are days we celebrate important events. For example, Independence Day on July 4th.
Ah, the day we eat hot dogs and watch fireworks.
It is the day the U.S. became a country. But yes, hot dogs are a tradition. Other holidays honor people like Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Let's check your understanding. I will give you 3 items. You tell me if they are a need or a want.
I am ready. Hit me.
Number 1, a brand new sports car.
That is a want. A regular car is fine, or I can take the bus.
Correct. Number 2, Medicine when you are sick.
That is definitely a need. I have to be healthy.
Perfect. Number 3, a designer handbag.
Oh, that is tricky. I need a bag to hold my stuff. But it does not have to be designer. It is a want.
You are doing great. Now, let's look at common mistakes students make with these topics.
Like buying too much candy?
Grammatically speaking, don't say I want go to the park. You must use the infinitive.
So I want to go to the park.
Yes, also with maps, don't say the store is at the left.
Really? What should I say?
You say the store is on the left or to the left. Prepositions of place are very important in social studies. Let's try a role play. You are a tourist who is lost and I am a police officer. You need to find the library.
Okay, I am ready. Excuse me, officer. I am looking for the library. Is it a need or a want?
Alex, stay in character. Just ask for directions.
Sorry, excuse me, officer. Can you help me? I need to find the city library.
Of course. Do you see that tall building with the flag on top?
Yes, I see the flag. Is that the library?
No, that is the post office. Go past the post office and turn north at the corner.
Turn north. Okay. Is it far? I really need to use the bathroom.
The bathroom is a need. The library is just 2 blocks away, on the right side of the street.
Thank you for being a good citizen and helping me.
You are welcome. Be safe.
Wow, we covered so much today. My brain is full.
Let's recap quickly. Needs are for survival. Wants are for fun.
Food is a need. Video games are a want.
Good citizens follow rules and help the community.
Maps show us where to go using north, south, east, and west.
And symbols like flags and holidays represent a country's history.
I'm going to go return this candy and pay my electric bill. I am being a responsible citizen.
I am very proud of you, Alex.
If you want to be a good citizen of this channel, you have a need to hit that subscribe button right now.
It really helps us create more lessons for you.
See you next time. Bye.